I'll get it.
Okay.
So last class we were discussing if a ray stands on a line. This one we have already discussed. Okay, I'm just reminding you. If a ray stands on a line, then sum of adjacent angle is 180 degree, or in book it is written like that. Then the sum of two adjacent angles so formed is 180 degree, which we have already discussed. Now there is a converse of this theorem. Okay, and it says that if the sum of adjacent angle, it's like this. Let me write it over here. If the sum of two,
Adjacent angle.
just a second. So the converse of this theorem is if the sum is 180 degree. Okay, sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degree, then the non-common arms of the angles form a line. Let's read it carefully. Okay, it says that if the sum of two adjacent angle is 180 degree, if we are having two such adjacent angle where the sum is 180 degree, then the non-common arm, like you will be getting two angle. Of course, we get an angle where two arms are involved, right? So we get anytime if we are talking about angle, two arms must be involved, whatever be the angle. Okay, yesterday we were not yesterday, but in the first class we were talking about how the angle is formed and whatever way it is formed. If it is a straight line angle, complete angle, or whatever angle, we have seen that two arms are involved. Okay, so that's what it says that then the non-common arm of the angles form a line. If you are having if you are having if you are having just a second, if you are having two such adjacent angle, this one and this one is an adjacent angle. Okay,
Yes.
where the sum is 180 degree. Random two adjacent angle you are having where the sum is 180 degree. Then the non-common arm. Now if I will name it A, B, C, D, you can see one of the angle axis. We can say A, B, C is X and D, B, C is Y. Okay, these are the two angles we are having over here. If in case X plus Y is 180 degree, then of course the non-common arm. Now see, these two are non-common arm. This is AB and BD. These two are non-common arm. ये दोनों arm common नहीं है दोनों angle में.
Yes.
Can you see it?
Yes,
These two are not common arm. Okay, these two non-common arm will make a straight line. Of course, it will make a straight line. Why? Because 180 degree we are getting. Okay, so this is just the converse of linear pair axiom.
Okay.
These
Okay.
both are called linear pair axiom. In between, few more axioms, theorems are there. But I want to discuss at first the concept of parallel line. Okay, I'll be taking those axioms in between. And just a second, Sazia, you have sent me question. Let me ask.
Yes.
Okay, once I'll get the question, we will be doing it over here. Now let's start the discussion of parallel line. Okay, parallel lines. Number one scenario is when you are having two lines, two random lines, L and M. We don't know. We don't know these two are parallel or what. I have just drawn two random line L and M. Okay, and there is a transversal. Let's call it P. So we are having two random line L and M, and there is a transversal which is P. Okay, now this angle and this angle is called corresponding angle. See it carefully, both the angle we are getting on the same place. Okay, if I will rub this line, if I will rub it, can you see it is on the upper part of the line?
Yes, ma'am.
And if I will make the other one also, this is also on the upper part of this line. Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, when both are at exactly same place on the upper part, this one and that one is on the upper part, then these two are called corresponding angle. Okay, so angle 1, this is angle 2, this is angle 3, this is angle 4, this is angle 5, this is 6, this is 7, and this is 8. We will call angle 1 and angle 5 are pair of corresponding angle. Okay, we will
Yes,
say
ma'am.
angle 1 and angle 5 are corresponding angle. What else? Who will say the remaining corresponding
Ma'am,
angles pair?
alternative
Now,
Angle
first
4,
corresponding angle.
Ma'am, 4
angle
is
4 and
corresponding to 8.
angle 4 corresponding to
4, angle
Ma'am,
4
2
and
and 6.
8,
Ma'am, 3 and
angle
7.
3 and 7.
angle 3 corresponding to angle 7.
Perfect. And angle 2 and 6.
Yes, ma'am.
These are pair of corresponding angle. Now, these two are the name of these two angles. This pair of angle is called corresponding angle. Now it will be equal. Just a second. It will be equal. Angle 1 and angle 5 will be equal when L is parallel to M. Angle 1 and angle 5 will be equal. So the name is corresponding angle, but it will be equal when angle 1 and when L is parallel to M. Corresponding angles are equal when lines are parallel with each other. Okay? When L is parallel to M, angle 4 and angle 8 will be equal. Angle 3 will be equals to angle 7. Angle 2 will be equals to angle 6. And when L is not parallel to M, then these angles will not be equal. Angle 1 and 5 will not be equal. And we will say corresponding angles are not equal. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So don't get confused that corresponding means it has to be same. Corresponding means it has to be when there is a case of parallel line, then only we can give it this name corresponding angle. No. This two angle, whenever we are getting angle on the same place like this two are called corresponding angle. Now it will be equal when lines are parallel with each other, and corresponding angle will not be equal when lines are not parallel with each other. Okay, so whenever in your question in your book it says that there is a corresponding angle, don't get confused that lines are parallel with each other. No. Okay, it must be written clearly in the question that lines are parallel, then only we will be taking that lines are parallel. Otherwise,
Okay.
this terminology corresponding angle doesn't represent that lines are parallel. Are you getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
4 not equals to 8, 3 not equals to 7, and 2 not equals to 6. Now let me show you the one of the case. Whenever you will be having two random line, there is a transversal. Okay, you don't know whether these two lines are same parallel or what. You don't know. M and N are the name. You don't know whether it's parallel or not, but I'm saying that this angle, this is, let's say, angle 1, and this angle, let's say this is angle 2. I'm saying that angle 1 is equals to angle 2. Then you can say automatically it implies that these two lines must be parallel. Am I making sense to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
let's continue. Similarly, we will be discussing about all the pairs, alternate interior, alternate exterior. We are still having two lines, L and M. There is a transversal. Now let me tell you, still here also I am not taking this two line as parallel or something. Okay, I will show you both the cases. So now this is angle 1, this is angle 2, this is angle 3, this is angle 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, this is 8. Okay, now alternate interior.
Yes, ma'am.
Who will say?
Ma'am, 4 and 2. Angle 4
Ma'am,
and 2.
2, 3 and 5. Angle 3 and 5.
Yes, angle 3 and 5. Alternate means are alternate with each other, and interior means inside.
Ma'am,
This one
angle
and this
4.
3 and
Angle
5.
8 and angle 2.
Angle and angle 3.
Ma'am, angle 8 and angle 2.
Angle 2 and angle 8. That's it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
4 and 6 we cannot say because we are saying interior. Okay, when I will say exterior, alternate exterior, then we will be talking about that. Are you getting
Yes.
it? This two orange
Yes.
color angle will be, its
Yes,
name of this two orange color angle is alternate interior angle. Name of this two yellow color angle is alternate interior angle. Now again we will repeat the same concept that it will be equal when L is parallel to M. This pair of alternate interior will be equal with each other. And when L is not parallel, then this two angle will not be equal. Still, the name is alternate interior, but it will not be same.
Okay. Okay. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, let's continue.
Okay. I'm giving it.
Now, alternate exterior angle. We are
Ma'am, can
having
you
two
hear
lines.
me?
Yes, Tejas, I can hear you. When we are having two
Okay.
lines, L and M, we don't know these two are parallel or what. And there is a transversal P. Okay. Now, let's say this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. This is 5, this is 6, this is 7, and this is 8. Okay. Now, here we will say that let's find what are the pair of alternate exterior angle.
Ma'am, angle 4 and angle 6.
Yes,
Ma'am, angle 1 and angle 7.
perfect. You can see it's alternate with each other and it's lying on the exterior part.
Yes, ma'am. Only this much.
Yes, only this much. Now again I will repeat that if L is parallel to M, then alternate exterior will be equal. And whenever alternate exterior is equal, you can say both the lines are parallel. When it's
Yes.
not equal, you can conclude that both the line are not parallel with each other. Are you getting it, Safia?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Are you
ma'am.
getting it? What I'm trying to explain?
Getting it, ma'am.
Okay. So we discussed corresponding angle. We discussed alternate interior. We discussed alternate exterior. Now let's discuss interior angle on the same side.
Ma'am, it's like angle 1 and angle 2.
When we are having two lines, we are not saying it's parallel or what, just a random line we are having. Okay, this is angle 1, this is angle 2, this is angle 3, and this is angle 4. This is 5, this is 6, this is 7, and this is 8. Okay, now we are going to talk about co-interior angle.
Ma'am, what is co-linear base?
Just a second, I'm coming to that. Co-interior angle and interior angle on same side. Okay, so basically we are trying to say interior angle on same side of transversal. Okay, P is the transversal on same side of transversal. Can you see we are having interior angle 2 and 5? Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
You can call it in co-interior
Yes.
angle. You can call it co-interior angle, or you can call it interior angle on same side. Okay.
Ma'am,
And the
angle
sum
3
of
and
it will
angle
be
8.
called 180.
Yes. Angle 3 and angle 8, these two are also called either co-interior angle or interior angle on same side. Now if this two line, what is
Co-linear base.
co-linear pair means two angle which are making linear pair with each other.
Okay.
Okay.
No, co-interior base. Something like this.
What you say? They just,
Nothing, ma'am.
if L is parallel to M, then sum of this two angle here, this two will not be equal. If L is parallel to M, then angle 2 plus angle 5. Okay, sum of interior angle on same side will be 180 degree. Okay, and angle 3 plus angle 8 will be 180 degree. So whenever interior angle on the same side sum is 180 degree, you can conclude that both the line must be parallel with each other.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
Now, when L is not parallel to M, then angle 2 plus angle 5 will never ever be 180 degree. Angle 3 plus angle 8 will never ever be 180 degree. So whenever we are saying interior angle on same side, that doesn't mean we are talking about parallel line. Okay, if the sum is 180 degree, then it's parallel. If sum is not 180 degree, then we can say both the lines are not parallel with each other. We are just having two random line and there is a random transversal. Is it clear so far?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me check the question which you wanted to ask. Let's do it. Just a second, let me write it first. Then prove that.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Yes. Okay. Ma'am, can you hear me? Hello? Ma'am, can you hear me? Ma'am?
Yes, yes, Tejas. Hello, testing. Hello, hello. Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, ma'am.
Let's continue. Okay, concept we have already discussed. Now you have to think about it. Okay, what can be the possible approach? Let's try understanding the question at first. It says that in the given figure, the side QR, you can see, we can
Yes,
see side QR is over here of angle PQR. Angle PQR is produced to a point S. That means side QR is extended till S. We can see it in the figure. If the bisector of angle PQR, okay, this is the bisector of angle PQR. That means this angle and this angle are same. This is X and that is X, we can call it, right?
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Read it carefully. bisector of PQR. That means angle
Yes, ma'am.
PQR is getting cutted into two equal part. Okay, we can call it this is x, that is x. Don't worry. At first we are trying to understand, then we will write everything properly. And PRS. Okay, PRS. This is also getting bisected. So we can call that this is y and that is also y. Clear so far?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bisector of PRS, bisector of PQR and PRS meet at a point T. Yeah, we can see both meet at a point T. Basically, if you are getting confused, check it. Check it that this is the bisector
Yes, ma'am.
and 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 this is the bisector and both meet with each other at T. Question is clear to us, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Then prove that QTR, where is QTR? QTR, this angle QTR is equals to half of PQ PQR. Okay, this. Okay, let's try proving it. Let's see what can be done.
Can we take QTR and PQR alternate interior angles?
But we don't know if these two lines are parallel or what. Right? We don't know. We are not
Yes,
so
ma'am. We
sure.
don't know.
And we cannot assume, Sazia. If we don't know, then we cannot assume.
Ma'am, can
And
we like
hmm? Let's take triangle. At first, we are trying to figure it out what can be done.
PQS.
And this purple one and the sky one is making one triangle. Let's take this
Yes,
triangle.
ma'am.
Triangle QTR. Angle sum property says x plus y plus
Equal to
QTR is equals to 180. Yes or no?
180. Yes, ma'am.
At first, we are trying to figure it out. Then we will write it properly. Okay? Okay. Now, angle QTR is equals to 180 minus x plus y. Okay, we have found QTR anyway. Let's try finding PQR. PQR. Just a second. Oh, there is one more property. Just a second. Let me check whether that is working or not. Angle TRS is equals to angle TQR plus angle QTR. Just a second now. Have I written the question properly, Sazia?
Yes, ma'am. It is from the book only.
Yeah. So QTR. Don't worry, I'm just checking it. Okay. Yeah. Here we just need to take 180 and all we will not be taking. Let me wipe everything. Exterior angle property will be taking. Exterior angle is equals to sum of opposite to interior angle. Just a second. Just a second. First we'll be taking triangle. This
Can
QTR.
we take exterior angle property?
Yes, that's what I have taken already. Sazia. Yeah. QTR. This angle. This y is equals to x plus angle QTR. Okay. This triangle we have taken. This is equation number 1. And if we will take the complete angle, this triangle PQR, here exterior angle, that is 2y is equals to 2x, okay, plus this QTR. Okay, one extra angle is coming still, which we don't need. This is 180 minus 2y. This is
I got the solution. Can you send it?
you got the solution? Just a moment.
Actually,
I think
I
we are almost done.
yes.
Yeah, we are almost done. Just a second, Sasya. Yeah, let's do it. So I'm drawing the figure over here again. When it doesn't say parallel line, then we are not allowed to take this two as a parallel line, okay? We will try all the possibility and yeah, we got it. Exterior angle property we will be using. This is x, this is x. This is y, this is y. Okay, P, Q, R, S, yeah, and this is T. Let's take triangles. So first we will be talking about triangle PQR. Okay. Now if you will focus on triangle PQR, can we say this triangle exterior angle that is y plus y to y is equals to sum of opposite to interior angle? Can we?
Yes, ma'am.
Can we? We can write. So we can say it is 2x plus angle QPR. Okay. This angle P we are saying. It is just the sum of this angle and just the sum of this angle and this angle. Are you getting it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but in our
Yes.
proof, QPR is not there. QPR is not there. Okay, so we are trying to replace this QPR maybe in terms of X and Y. So we realize that if that is Y plus Y to Y, then this will be 180 minus 2Y linear pair. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
And what will be the angle P? Please find it. Angle P will be what? In this triangle PQR, if one of the angle is 2x, another angle is in this triangle, if one of the angle is 2x, another angle is 180 minus 2y, then this angle will be, find it, please find it, quick, quick, quick. Angle P will be angle P plus 2x plus 180 minus 2y is equals to 180, right? So P
Yes,
will be
ma'am.
180 will go to other side, 2x will go to other side. Are we going to have P as a minus 2x plus 2y? Yes or no?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Everyone getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's write it. Okay. This is, there was plus sign. So directly I am writing the signs. So 2y is 2x minus, just a second. No? What we did, it is coming 2y is equals to 2y. Of course, it will come like that. But we need angle PQR. Now the next, we are coming to this part. Now the next triangle we will be taking triangle QTR. Okay. If we'll be taking this triangle, let me check it on pen and
Yes,
paper
ma'am.
because here you are also getting confused. Who is doing? We are almost there, but we just need to arrange everything. Here we are getting this 2y or just y is equals to sum of this angle QTR. Just a second. Now, if we will add this two, are we going to get, or if we will replace PRS is this, okay? We need what? We need QTR and half of PQR. Now, what about this angle TQR and QPR? TQR and QPR. QPR. Any other information is not given, right?
No, ma'am.
We must get from here only. We just need to think about this and this. Otherwise, if this two will be same, then we can say that yeah, we are done. QPR. QPR. Okay. And TQR. TQR.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Tejas. Have you figured it out what to do over here?
No, ma'am.
Yes.
No.
Ma'am, can we take
वो दिखाओ
half
तुम वैसे ही
angle
बोलते
P
हैं ये
plus
दिखाओ कहते हो
angle TQR
ये
is
नंबर
equals
भेजी थी
to
तुम्हें फोन नंबर का
PQR plus
उस वापस की
angle
नंबर भी
TQR
लिए
plus angle
उन्हें बोली
What you said, Sasya?
Ma'am, after taking the exterior angles, can we take half angle of angle P plus angle TQR is equals to angle TQR plus T?
I'm not able to hear you properly, Sasya. Really sorry. We are almost there. We are missing something over here. Okay, this exterior angle property will help us proving it. We are missing something over here. It's not clicking or what? Just a second. This angle P is creating confusion. And now only we have figured it out. Angle P was, what was that? Angle P was 2x, 2y. Okay. Let me check, am I missing any data? In the given figure, the side QR of angle PQR is produced to point S. If the bisector of angle PQR and PRS meet at a point T, then prove that this.
Ma'am, I'm audible now.
Yeah. Yes, Adya. You are audible.
Ma'am, I was yes. Ma'am, I was saying that after taking exterior angle, can we take half of angle P plus angle TQR is equals to angle TQR plus angle T?
Is it possible for you to write it in the chat box, Azia?
Yes, ma'am.
Please write it. Now we will leave x and y. Let's try writing everything in terms of just angles. Okay, angles. P, Q, R. This is S. This is T. So let's try writing that. We know that angle TRS is equals to this complete angle is equals to sum of this and this, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Is it PQR plus QPR, right? Yes. Okay. This is equation 1. Now the other triangle we were taking. We were taking which triangle? Triangle TQR. And there also we have taken the same. That is angle PRS. This angle is equals to this one plus this one. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, I was saying the same.
Yeah, here without x and y we are writing the same things as here. Whatever we were writing previously.
Ma'am.
Now we can say that angle T, yes, stages, is half of, yes.
Actually, I have test after half an hour, so can I leave or the class will continue?
No, I will wrap it up. Okay,
Okay.
just give me 2 minutes. If we can, we will wrap it up. Otherwise, I'll ask everyone that we will be summarizing it in the next class. So
Okay.
this is what we are having.
Okay.
TRS is equals to half of PRS and TQR is half of the total angle PQR. Yeah, from here we will be getting, okay. See, x and y is simpler than this one. I will be telling you how to do it in terms of x and y. Exterior angle theorem only we have to apply over here. But like how we will arrange exactly, that I am going to tell you in the next class, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Because there's so many angles are there. If I will start explaining in terms of angle, no, you will end up getting confused, okay? So yes, x and y is the simplest approach which can help us understanding this question. We will be doing it with x and y, and yeah, this property only we need to use over here. This will only help us. So I am keeping this much over here. We will finish